So guys, this is a Super 8mm film camera. Super 8mm film camera. Right up. And this is where you get to put the film. Super 8 film is put here. You can see daylight, ASA 2500, artificial light, which is tungsten, ASA 40. This is the ISO rating, basically. So you put a film here, and your closets. You can see the mic knob where you adjust the volume of your microphone. This is what shows whether it's recording. And you have a lens up here. This is a zoom lens, 8 to 48mm lens, f 1.2. So this is a Super 8mm.